Boom, hey internets. 3 more Instagrams you need to follow for your apparel production. This is part 2. Jon Phenom, clothing brand mentor. I've been working professionally in apparel development for over 24 years. Working my way up from apparel designer all the way to creative director of a small multi-million-dollar company. All right, first up we got Oren Jon. Oren does not just limit his content to fashion. He actually speaks about a lot of topics that surround entrepreneurialism, inclusive of accessories, trends, luxury brands, brand campaigns, and best practices for marketing. Number 2, Justin Phllips. Now, if you've been researching anything about apparel on YouTube or other social medias, you've probably seen an ad by Justin. But if you do a deeper dive into what he's doing, there's a lot of good content there. And he gives up factory after factory in all the different categories that you might need to launch your brand. At 896K followers by the time I'm recording this, he offers a ton of free game and the Scale Accelerator. The third one is a sleeper, but you definitely need to hit that link below and follow. John Liu is the co-founder of Deeron Sourcing. Founded in 2018, what his company does is pair you with an agent. And I believe they are boots on the ground in China. So this sourcing agent walks you through all of the steps of production and working with your vendor and supply chain. Having worked with China with all of the streetwear brands that I've worked with in the past, once a company is deemed trustworthy, it's really comforting to know that they're in the same country. 219K followers, you should add to that, and also you should maybe look into some of their services. Hope that helps. If you didn't see part 1, you need to click on that also and add those 3 questions for your brand. You can drop them all down below, or you can email me here. See you guys on the next one. Peace.